Hey there, what's up everybody? Welcome to my channel on do-it-yourself home projects. Hopefully this video can inspire all you do-it-yourselfers out there interested in making a farmhouse vintage dining room table yourself. I spent about $120, maybe $200 tops on all the supplies, wood, screws, stain, polyurethane, etc. And I've got some matching benches that go with it. Here is an up-close look at the distressed wood I did myself using a chisel and a chain, and of course a couple layers of stain and polyurethane. I'll put a link in the description below for the plans that I used. Highly recommended table. A bit heavy. If you're thinking about making it lighter, you probably don't need all these support beams going across there. You can see, you could probably skimp on a couple of those. The most difficult part of the job is these little notches using the circular saw. So that was a bit challenging, but a great and fun project. Overall, really simple, and it's got obviously a beautiful look at a fraction of the cost. So hopefully this video has been helpful. For more videos saving you time and money, be sure to subscribe. Thanks.